Mama wakwaba aha GC and page so meeting the adwa searching and then it did kanya wo de ehwe me a mesre na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification and esa ne news e de betum bia we nya bi atie and asa we nya bi ahwe e wo GC and page ha Felix appear ono e na oye program about in the political zone e wo Facebook na Felix e na oka say and then sem e na oka den sem a oka ina ne say Ashanti region youth no mweni yedin mo nye guy kra se mo kasa kwa se mweni yedin na mo ye guy anka esese eye Sammy Gyamfi oye communications officer de ma NDC amayoku no oba Ashanti region so oba be ye campaign na anka mo ma ne kwan kra na ombem because ene atemdidi social media omo edi ahemfu na titru na se ne fana efri Sammy Gyamfi na Felix say evidence wo hono ma Sammy Gyamfi oye communications officer de ma NDC amayoku no krata o Troy de ema ne communicators no say he mudu Ashanti region ana se mudu Volta region mudu Central region eastern western baby ene ahemfofo no mundi omo atempa papa na enka omo esan se omo na omo entoto eniama yie ena de a omo do omo ho ahyehye politics nti ene he ahemfofo no mundi omo atem na eno na Felix say sa ensem a ekoso e wo social media ndo bitwe camera esine so na odi ohin bia tem oka ensem a ense emfata de sa ohin ni na enam Sammy Gyamfi nsem a okan so enti na ebi mo nso ate a omode edi ahemfofo na tem enti se Ashanti region youth no mani yedin a anka 2024 election year bebe evidence Felix say we show e woni program so political zone obi ehu se atemdidi ekoso efri Sammy Gyamfi no anka ne 2024 abato mba be campaign a ensese mo allow Sammy Gyamfi kra na o enter Kumase ana say Ashanti region baby as oba be campaign na yenti ensema Felix e de esudwa
ene yetu ye nwansi wo say ye pese ye de e kan ho asem.
Yes, showcase that.
And NDC force why you say Omuni to say the outcome, the materials to show what they can do. So the only thing they can resort into is tribalism. Any these kind of things. Okay, Mr. Mafo, Chairman Drew bet me a catch me will document here. As same way, now me will NDC for platform this okay. Now I'm the document we be to defend Sebe. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Sammy Gyamfi, boss, Troy say the communicators no. Omuko Eastern region, baby, Krobofoni other people no one now. Omundi Ochihini atem. Omuma Ochihini luku unpopular. Yes, I have it. Because he's not the only king in Eastern region. Moba Asante region, Mundidi Sabi or for repenia tem. So what you say?
No.
But Samuko Eastern regional. And what baby are and you can't say Mudi Otum for them because they still owe allegiance to Otum for. Yes. Sammy Gyamfi, I have that publication. Chairman Drew is my witness. My shows are the other side. Okay? He actually specifically said, say, Otum for or your wine or your two no. Sabi or no kwani or any ana. Or say, yes, or me dance anywhere, brochure and the document. God is my witness. I will never lie to you.
Yeah.
Unia, now Martina group no so for more than 2 months. Now all what they put inside next week when we go. NPP is going to say this, so we say this, we say it right now. All we are, what the other say, make sure you make a Kufuado inhuman. Yeah, man, you say, near humo bro. Me say Sammy Gyamfi say, young could dig sabi. Now, unim say, to be honest with you, now name say Sammy Gyamfi on your Santini crowd. Na minim.
Dabi, Sammy on your Santini.
Yeah, so any sign Sammy Gyamfi Communications Officer, National Democratic Congress. Date ni go on September 16, 2019. Saturday be ready. Akwa campaign. And UN4 Obekaya UN4 inviting Otum for say on the speech or UN.
Yes. I remember.
Because Omu Bisa the question say, chieftaincy, importance by our kinship, importance by Neboa in bringing our communities and peace and stuff. And I can say, oh, I him for a play bigger role, especially in Africa, where we understand chieftaincy.
For sure.
And no too for sure, Mumu say, a top that Kurana say politicians, no, and talk about Muntemua. And ye almost a him for no and omo bomb ho, na oma solve. Into chieftaincy is very important.
A key role.
And now Otum forecast say na even obemo typical example say 2016 elections no crown who say take 4 days and sign a year bobo. Now Obia ye not jini say on jintum, but esan so omo him funtino omo keka omo nsabo mo him for no together with onu Otum for no omo kan ye mani ye. The fact is that Mahama who abeda ho say he was not trying to vacate the seat no and as Sammy the future of Sadiwi. Brother, I say a reality. Will I send it to you? Utiemu Samuel, Mrs. Sammy Gyamfi, Anka Asante youth for Asante Mighty as a pa, because Sammy Gyamfi should not be allowed to enter or do any campaign in Asante. Yes, when they make us say, oh, Asante Memu Kodada, or the propaganda.
Yeah. But, brother, I want when actually how the NDC are. They are not politicians. They are not politicians, so. But I don't understand why I say there are various radio stations in Ghana. They host programs and as a topic here, they are not informed in those topics. And this is Sammy Gyamfi nebe uramo. Now okay, kadi ope obi amisa na question. But this is misinformation. In some places, this is a criminal act.
Yes.
Wait,
in Ghana, Bama in Ghana, a criminal in Ghana.
Well, I wonder because minim economics. I will not host a program on the topic in a national economic issue. Yes, sir. The politician can say whatever, and I may not know either he's lying or not. Now, say what if the case is now more opportunity for people to lie to the masses. I think this is misleading information, and sometimes I really wonder. But Obianim, I mean a Ghanaian who thinks and reasons a lot knows what the NDC as a political party is. Just look at their attitude, their way of being, their way of talking. I've never found any NDC communicator on any programs, TV, Facebook, radio, who comes